Hi guys! In this video, I will be showing you 6 beautiful pieces from Sezane and a variety of outfit combinations to go with each of those pieces. Hi and welcome! If this is your first time here, my name is Nidhi. I make fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video is going to be a Sezane styling haul. I have picked 6 different pieces from Sezane and I will be showing you how I styled each of those pieces using 2 to 4 different outfit combinations. The goal here is to make it as versatile as possible so that you can wear it in more than one way. All of the outfits are winter and fall inspired looks and I am very excited to show you as I love these pieces. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you guys get to know when I post a video. This is the Berry cardigan in a double extra small. It's got a beautiful V neckline and it's perfect length, long enough to tuck it into your trousers and short enough to leave them out. What's also cool about this is that you can wear it both ways. And it's also very lightweight yet very warm. I cannot wait to show you how this looks like styled. This is the Bazil cardigan. I got mine in a double extra small. This one is a little bit oversized and has puffy sleeves, so I recommend sizing it up. In terms of fabric, it's very soft and plush and feels very cozy. I cannot wait to show you how this one looks like styled. Next, I have a very popular item from Sezane. This is the Sezane Tomboy shirt. This piece is the most worn item in my wardrobe right now because it's classic, comfortable, and so versatile. It feels and flows beautifully on the body. Here are some outfit inspirations for styling this shirt. This is the Scott trench coat in a muted olive color. I got mine in a size 0. Unlike other trench coats, this coat has a weighted feel to it, which is a good indication of a high quality fabric. A little heads up that if you're petite, this is going to fit a little bit long on you, but long coats are trendy right now, so that shouldn't be a problem. In terms of functionality, this is built to keep you warm through transitional seasons and if you have mild winters. Here's how I styled the Scott trench coat. This is the Johnson coat in a beautiful camel color. It's such a timeless staple, this one. It does not catch a lot of lint like my other wool coats, which I really love. The fabric feels very, very soft and luxurious. It's built for mild winters, in my opinion. I got this one in a size 2. I cannot wait to show you how this looks like styled. Here I have the Leontine jumper. Leontine jumper. I hope I pronounced that correctly because I had to Google it as I don't speak French. Anyways, this one's very, very chic and relaxed. It's got these beautiful navy stripes and I think that's very, very quintessentially French. It is made of 100% organic cotton, but it doesn't have that soft cotton feel. It's more sturdy and raw like linen. The sleeves are very relaxed and a little bit puffy and oversized, and it has a little bit of a crop here, so you can wear it with your high-waisted skirts and dresses. Here's how I styled this beautiful jumper. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below your feedback and opinions on this video, as well as what you would like to see next from me. I really, really love hearing from you. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
say